Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Stellar broke out a falling wedge pattern, and after that, it broke out a symmetrical triangle. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, this was the wedge, by the way, that I was showing you. And you can see that after the breakout, it was getting rejected again and again by this symmetrical triangle. This was the support, by the way. Here we had the support of the triangle. Here we had the resistance. And finally, after the breakout from this triangle, we had a very massive pump. If I place this measurement tool from this though to here, here by the way, and you can see that so far it has pumped almost 176% and moved very close to this key resistance of 25 cents and also broke out this resistance of 20 cents as well. And right now you can see that it is retesting the previous resistance of 20 cents as a support and moves slightly lower than this support right now. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 20 cents has been previously breaking almost as a resistance here, and before that it was breaking as a support here as well. In fact, the price formed a double top in the month of July 2021 at this support of 20 cents, and now again it is breaking as a resistance. By the way, this is a very strong long-term resistance, and the further upward momentum, the bullish momentum, depends on breaking out this 25 cents resistance. And you can see that the price had been previously rejected by this resistance of 25 cents here, and before that it was breaking as support here and support here, and therefore again it is breaking at a very strong resistance. And here we also have another quite long-term uptrend line resistance as well that was previously breaking as a resistance here, and resistance here as well. And in today's video, we will also analyze this resistance, and we will also take a look at the breakout from this falling wedge pattern as well that I've been showing you for the past several months. You can see that we broke it out here in the month of January 2023, and now after the breakout, the price line is turning parabolic bullish. That is a quite similar move to the previous one. Like previously, we broke out a down channel, a quite long-term down channel here in the month of April 2020, and then we had a very massive pump, and now we have broken out a falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will also take a look at this falling wedge pattern breakout as well. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared in the month of May 2022 with my members. And this is a quite long-term trade signal because this move is formed on a monthly time frame chart and still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of November 2024 in the video description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Litecoin, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup for Litecoin I shared a few days ago on 5 of November 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade signal as well, like this of the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared on May 2022 with my members, and that is a very big harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Stellar formed on a monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line is now geared up from this buying zone, and now it's moving out from the buying zone, and I'm expecting that soon it will hit the sell target zone. And as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley pattern, the sell target zone can be somewhere between 42.3 cents, and it maximum goes to 66.81 cents. And now let's move to the live chart of Stellar. And here I have been showing you this symmetrical triangle that Stellar formed on a daily time frame chart. And this triangle was the reason that the price line was not able to start a big move even after the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern. You can see that first it broke out this wedge here on this daily time frame chart, but after that, for the past several days or weeks, it has been rejected by the resistance of this symmetrical triangle. And by the way, this was the support of the symmetrical triangle. And after getting squeezed inside this triangle, finally, we have broken out the resistance, and now we had a very powerful pump. And Now we are almost reached at this long-term key resistance of 25 cents and broke out this resistance of 20 cents. Right now we are testing this support, this previous resistance of 20 cents as a support. At the same time, the price line of Litecoin, XLM, not Litecoin, has also broken out this very long-term uptrend line resistance of this big up channel as well. On the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that for the past several weeks or months it was moving inside this channel, and now recently we have broken it out, and on the daily time frame chart you can see that we are about to retest the previous resistance of the channel as support. In case of breaking down this support of 20 cents, it can test this support once again, and by the way, this time it can test the support, this previous resistance of the channel as support somewhere here, possibly at 18 cents. And now if we take a look at the targets, then we have already achieved the target for the breakout from this triangle and the falling wedge pattern. I was telling you that the target for the wedge is here at the top of the wedge at 16.2 cents, and we have also crossed that level as well. And now the further momentum, the bullish momentum, depends on breaking out this key resistance of 25 cents, a quite long-term and very strong resistance that was previously breaking as a resistance here, and before that it had been breaking as a support here and support here for a few weeks, and therefore again it can break as a very strong resistance for the price. And at the same time we also have this uptrend and resistance as well. We got rejection here, and now if we move here on the daily time frame chart, then you can see that recently the price is once again rejected by this uptrend and resistance. So we need to break out this crisscross of the two resistance levels in order to continue this move to the upside. And on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge can be here at the top of the wedge. That can be somewhere between 80 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.